Welcome back to our channel. So guess what? Will you celebrate with me? Friday was my official last day of school. And do you know what that means? Summer, summer, summertime. That's right, you guys. I'm officially on summer break and I am totally stoked about it. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what I'm going to do with my time. I'm positive that I will find something to do with it. But at the moment, I'm just going to sit back, relax, and enjoy my summer break. With that being said, you guys, I have been invited by Tangi from Freedom Homestead and Amanda from the Fundamental Home to participate in Frugal Family Food Friday. The theme this month is summertime, backyard barbecues, and picnics. So I'm a side dish girl. Normally when we have church events, the men handle the grill and the ladies bring the side dishes. So I'm going to share with you a really easy baked bean side dish that my sister actually gave me the recipe to. I usually make mine a little bit different, but I'm going to share with you her recipe, and that's going to be our backyard barbecue side dish. So join me as I make summertime baked beans. Okay, so as Lisa from Lisa's Country Kitchen says, here are the cast of characters. I do not do Dutch oven baked beans, which are from scratch using navy beans. I just take the shortcut. And of course, you guys know I'm an avid couponer, so I do the free baked beans. These are the Bush's reduced sodium vegetarian baked beans. They're 16 ounces. Normally, there's about between 20 and 30 people at a gathering. So I would do 3 to 4 cans. Just to make sure that there were enough. Plenty of other people would be bringing things, but I would do just this many. And you know your girl got these for free with my coupons. So I'm going to be doing the vegetarian style baked beans because we're going to add in some meat. To this, we're going to add in half a can of crushed pineapple. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of the sugar-free barbecue sauce. This is in the hickory flavor. If you want to use regular barbecue sauce, use whatever flavor you like. And then to make it a little bit more interesting, we're going to add in some meat to the baked beans. So what I did was I used this 3 pepper and onion blend, and I just sauteed this up with my meat. So of course, Frugal Family Food, we're doing the low spin June, and one of the challenges is to do double batch cooking. So yesterday I actually cooked some ground beef. I cooked 2 packages of ground beef. I also used the 3 pepper blend. And I am going to warm up my meat that I have had sitting in the fridge. And once the meat is warm, I'm going to dump everything in the dish. I'm going to bake it on 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then we'll see what it looks like when we come back. Okay, you guys, I have my meat just brought back up to temp because, again, I pre-cooked this in a double batch. I'm going to add that footage in. And then I also had it in the fridge. If you don't like ground beef, you can also use ground turkey or ground chicken. And also, I got this on coupons. Well, not really coupons, but Aldi had their meat marked down for $2 off. So I did not pay more than $2 for this package of ground beef. And this is a lot of ground beef. If you don't like peppers and onions, you do not have to include that. But I'm going to just load everything in this pan. And then it's going to the oven. Okay, everybody, so what I have in this dish, this is just a regular glass dish, is 9 by 13. I've got 3 small cans or the 16 ounces of the Bush's vegetarian beans. I probably have a little bit over a pound of ground beef. Remember, you can sub in turkey or chicken that I was sauteed with onions, peppers, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. And I also have half a can of the 20 ounces, so 10 ounces of pineapple. This is in 100% juice. And then I have 4 tablespoons of the sugar-free barbecue sauce, because that's the barbecue sauce we have at our house, but use whatever you love. If you are not into pineapples, you can totally leave those out. It's just to give a little bit of natural sweetness. Now, this is going in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And what's a backyard barbecue without a dessert? So you know I'm extra, you guys, and I always do something extra in my videos. So while my baked beans are cooking, I'm going to do a brownie. And the kids and I like brownies, but they are not Weight Watcher friendly. But I usually make the sugar-free brownies. This does have Splenda in it, so I won't be adding any sugar. But I'm going to make a brownie treat that's only going to cost me 3 Weight Watchers Smart Points. Stay tuned. And there you have it, you guys. Baked beans, ready for your summertime backyard barbecue. Nothing says barbecue to me like a paper plate, a hot dog, and some baked beans. And no barbecue is quite complete without your dessert. So here are our sugar-free brownies, and I'm just going to finish this up for you guys very quickly. So to that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar-free frosting. Kind of looks like ice cream, but it's frosting. That counts as 1 smart point. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the sugar-free caramel sauce. Less if you don't like a whole tablespoon. Probably a half a tablespoon will work out beautifully. And then to that, I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt. A little sweet and a little salt. So there it is, you guys. This is our additions to the backyard barbecue. We appreciate you guys so much for stopping by our channel. So thank you guys so much for stopping by our kitchen. We're going to take our beans and we're going to take our brownies and we're going to be the hit of the barbecue. Beans, brownies, and barbecue. We're excited to have you join us. Thank you so much to Amanda from The Fundamental Home and Tangi from Freedom Homestead for inviting us to take part in this challenge. If you haven't headed over to the Frugal Family Foods website, please do that. It's www.frugalfamilyfood.com. I'll leave it in the description box below. Sign up for the Low Spend Challenge. We're just about at the end of June, but you can jump in anytime. Also, if you have not joined the Frugal Family Foods Community Facebook group, I will leave that in the description box below as well. We're honored to have you stop by our kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. And until the next time we do anything frugally, bye now.